I'll come in.
Remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the vehicle, and please watch your children. Please watch your children.
First row, please watch your set. Watch your set. How many? 2. Back row, please watch your set. Back row, going guys. 2. Back row, please guys.
The sliding doors of your time machine will close automatically. For your safety, remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the vehicle, and please watch your children. The sliding doors of your time machine will close automatically. For your safety, remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the vehicle.
Your time machine will slowly rotate back and will stop momentarily. For your safety, remain seated at all times. During your slow-moving journey, your time machine will slowly rotate back and may stop momentarily.
This is Spaceship Control. Welcome aboard. On the map in front of you, you should report any problems while we get quick time travel.
Your face is clearly visible and wait for the flash. Good. Sending photos to the future. All systems are go. Linking you now to your guide.
Like a grand and miraculous spaceship, our planet is sailing through the universe of time. And for a brief moment, you'll be on its precipice. But where do we go? And what kind of future will we discover? Surprisingly, the answers lie in our past. Since the dawn of recorded history, we've been inventing the future one step at a time. So let's travel back in time together. I'll show you how our ancestors created the world we know today. And then it will be your turn to create the world of tomorrow. Here in this hostile world, struggling to survive until we learn to communicate with one another. Now we can hunt as a team and survive together. It takes 15,000 years to come up with the next right idea, recording our knowledge on cave walls. There's only one small problem. When we move, the recorded knowledge stays behind. Now let's move ahead to ancient Egypt, because something is about to happen here that will change the future forever. This unknown Egyptian pounding reeds also brings with it the dawn of great civilization. At this point, each civilization has its own form of writing, which none of the others can understand. But the Phoenicians, who traded with absolution, they created a simple common alphabet, adaptable to most languages. Remember how easy it was to learn your ABCs? Like the Phoenicians, they were made to school.
Seated, please. Our travels are resuming now.
The ancient Greeks were great inventors of the future. First, they established public schools, and then began teaching an intriguing new subject called mathematics. And with math comes mechanical technology and the birth of the high-tech life we enjoy today. With lessons learned from the Greeks, the Romans created powerful empires. To move their armies around, they built a system of roads all over the known world. Rome built the first worldwide way, and it's leading us into the future. But then we hit a roadblock. Rome falls, and the great library of Alexandria in Egypt is burned. Much of our learning is destroyed, lost forever. Or so we think. It turns out there are copies of some of these books in the libraries of the Middle East, being watched over by Arab and Jewish scholars. Call it the first backup system. The books are saved, and with them our dreams of the future. In the meantime, here in Europe, monks toil endlessly recording books by hand. But that is about to change. In 1450, Gutenberg invented the movable type printing press. Now knowledge can travel as fast as these new books, and travel they do. Books are easier to invent the future in every field, and the result is an incredible explosion of innovation we call the Renaissance.
Ladies and gentlemen, our time travels have been momentarily delayed. Please remain seated. Your time machine vehicle will begin moving again at any moment.
Remain seated, please. Our travels are resuming now.
1956 Olympic hero Jesse Owens, winner of 4 gold medals in Berlin. The world doesn't bring the full fortune to congratulate this inspirational athlete. Dateline Berlin. Against all odds, America's Jesse Owens has won 4
By
gold
now,
medals
we
and the
were
heart
communicating from anywhere on Earth. And in 1969, from somewhere else.
and he's off. One another gold medal from America. Jesse Owens makes America's proud. 4 gold medals at the 1956 Olympics.
To send a man to the moon, we had to invent a new language, spoken not by man, but by computers. At first very large, very expensive computers, but we see the potential. What if everyone could have one of these amazing machines in their own house? They're just very funny. They're as big as a house. The solution comes in, of all places, a garage in California. Young people with a passion for shaping the future put the power of the computer in everyone's hands. Together we form a super network that glows with billions of interactions. And once again, we stand on the brink of a new renaissance. After 30,000 years of time travel, here we are, a truly global community, poised to shape the future of this, our spaceship Earth.
Your time machine is now rotating. Please remain seated. Attention, you are now rotating backward for your return to Earth. Please remain seated, time traveler. Attention, travelers, please remain seated. Your time machine is rotating backward for your return to Earth. In preparation for your return to Earth, your time machine is now rotating backward. Please remain seated. Attention, you are now rotating backward for your return to Earth. Please remain seated, time travelers. Attention, travelers, you remain seated. Your time machine is rotating backward for your return to Earth.
For the first time in history, all of us can have a say about the kind of world we want to live in. The choices we have made for the past 30,000 years have been inventing the future one day at a time. And now, it's your turn. Let's have some fun creating the future, shall we? On your computer screen, answer a few questions for us. Then we'll show you a new world, custom made just for you. Ready? Well done. Now, along with your answers, let's add in some amazing new technology that we haven't. Now, along with your answers, let's add in some amazing new technology that we haven't. And now I believe your future is just about ready. Let's take a look, shall we?
Welcome to the future. Or should I say, your future. Here in the future, your home in the country will be a smart home that automatically knows what you want. Almost as soon as you do. Need something for a special occasion? Your closet comes equipped with a computerized pleasant shopper. Helps you purchase a custom-made outfit, even if it's for today. Now that's a smart look. Your smart home has everything organized to help you start your day. The world will literally be in your fingertips because your home's information network can bring you your daily news almost anywhere. Since you don't enjoy cleaning, robotic housekeepers will help you with your daily chores. Your smart home will know when it's time for you to leave and make sure you're dressed for success in your custom manufactured clothes. Of course, your smart home is already set for your automated car. Takes you where you want to go. While you relax and enjoy the beautiful view of the future. The end. Or should I say the beginning of your future.
So here's to the next 30,000 years of Spaceship Earth. While no one knows for sure what we'll see or do, I do know it will be quite an adventure. An adventure that will take us together. See you in the future.
Welcome back, time travelers. Now, we invite you to visit tomorrow, where new ideas and innovation are being developed to make the world a better place. Your favorite story is on automatic. Please take your cares to the wait time and step assembly on the moving left.